Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to add custom notification sounds in Android phone. Follow these easy steps to easily upload or add custom sounds for your Android phone notification. Let's go to our Android phone settings first, and here tap on notifications and tap on notification sound. Tapping on notification sound, and as you can see, currently in this notification settings option, here is no option to add a custom sound. Here we can see no option to upload or add custom sound. In order to set a custom sounds, first of all, you have to download the sound or music that you want to set as custom notification sounds. So once you've downloaded, now go to your file manager app, and I'm going to my downloads folder, and as you can see, this is a custom sounds. Now I will set this sound as my custom notification sounds. To do that, just tap and hold on the sound, and you can copy or you can tap on move. Now go back from here. All you have to need, go to your file manager, and now go to internal storage, and here scroll down and you will find this notifications folder. And if you don't have notifications folder, all you have to need is create a new folder and rename the folder notifications, just like this. Open the notification folder, and inside of this notification folder you have to move or paste the song that you want to use as custom notification sounds. Once the song added here, now I'm going to my phone settings again going to notifications, notification sounds, notification sound, and here we can see a custom section has been created, and under this custom section, here is the custom song that I just added on my file manager. Now I can easily select my custom sound for my notifications. So this is how we can easily add custom notification sounds in Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.